Welcome to second video. This video talk about compound sentences, and last video we talk about simple, right? So this video I have to review about compound sentences again. Okay, so a compound sentence has two or more independent clauses. Independent clauses here refer to this one, right? I see. Two or more I see, or two or more independent clauses. I see. A compound sentence has two or more independent clauses, or two or more ICs. Okay, joining with conjunctions. Okay, like here, IC plus conjunction plus IC. Also compound sentence we call two IC. Okay, and another one, IC plus conjunction plus IC plus conjunction plus IC. Okay, so two or more IC plus IC plus conjunction, IC. So two or more IC joined together with conjunction we call compound sentence. So no DC in this sentence, just only IC, but two or more IC. For example, so Pat wants to be a doctor, so she tries to study hard. Okay. This one is an IC. So Pat wants to be a doctor, one IC, and another one. She tries to study hard. Okay, another IC. But we combine with conjunction so. Okay. So Pat wants to be a doctor, one IC, and join with conjunction so, and she tried to study hard, another IC. So this sentence we call compound sentence. Okay. One sentence, but two clauses. I mean another one clause IC and another clause IC. So two ICs. Okay. Another one. John has arrived here, but Dara hasn't arrived yet. John has arrived here is an IC. And another one, Dara hasn't arrived yet, another IC. And we join with conjunction but. We can say friend boy, right? But. Okay. You can see here, everyone. This form I told you last semester. IC plus coordinator plus IC become IC. Okay? I think you remember this. IC plus subordinator plus IC become DC, not IC, right? Become DC. Okay. IC plus conjunctive adverb plus IC become IC. IC plus correlative conjunction plus IC become IC. Okay, so conjunction that we use with compound sentence only three, not four. Only three. Conjunction coordinator, conjunction conjunctive adverb, and conjunction correlative conjunction. Okay. Except one, right? Except subordinator. If we use IC plus subordinator, not IC. It is DC. Okay, so again, this is conjunction, everyone. There are four kinds of conjunctions. Okay, the first one is coordinating conjunction, or we can say coordinator. Okay, we can say two or three ways, but this one. Okay, just look at this. Number one, coordinators, or we can say fanboys, and another way we can say coordinating conjunction. but I don't write in this. Okay, sorry. Number 2, subordinating conjunction, or we can say subordinators. Okay, subordinators. Number 3, conjunctive adverbs. Number 4, correlative conjunction. Okay, so when we use compound sentence, we use only 3. Number 1, number 3, and number 4, not number 2. If we use with number 2, it's not become a compound sentence. It will become a complete sentence. Okay, so complete sentence I will tell you next video. But this lesson, okay, just only compound sentence. Okay, again everyone. Sentence structures, there are 4, right? I did it all. The first, simple. The second, compound. And the third, complex. The fourth, compound complex. Okay. And simple sentence, I taught you in the first video. And this one, I mean second, this one is a second video. And this video talk about compound sentences. Okay. So again, compound sentence refer to a sentence that has 2 or more independent clauses or 2 or more ICs. Okay. Okay, like this form, IC plus conjunction plus IC become a compound sentence. Okay, become a compound sentence. Okay, IC plus IC become a compound sentence. Or IC plus conjunction plus IC plus conjunction plus IC plus conjunction plus IC, also a compound sentence. Okay. Example again, right? So Pat wants to be a doctor is an IC. So she tries to study hard. She tries to study hard is another IC. So 2 ICs. Okay, and join with coordinating conjunctions or subordinator. You can say fanboy. So, okay, so become a compound sentence. And this one, only one sentence, not 2 sentences. No. John has arrived here, but Dara hasn't arrived yet. This one is an IC, and this one is another IC. So 2 ICs. We call a compound sentence. Okay, and another one. Dara, Mr. Dara lives in Phnom Penh. So she works there. However, he sometimes comes to teach English at UME, Creative Campus. Okay. Mr. Dada lives in Phnom Penh, is an IC. He works there, is another IC. And he sometimes comes to teach English at UME, Creative Campus, another IC. So in this sentence or in this compound sentence, there are 3 clauses. There are 3 clauses. I mean, there are 3 clauses, but refer to 3 ICs. No DC in this. Just only IC. IC, IC, and IC. Okay, so there are 3 ICs in this sentence, but join with coordinator, right? Or we can say join with conjunction. Okay, and this one we can say coordinator this one, you can say conjunctive adverb. However, it's conjunctive adverb, right? Okay. Okay, so you can check this one again in semester 1. I hope all of you have writing skill 1, and this one writing skill 2. Okay, so please check writing skill 1 in semester 1, and you will see this. Okay, this one just review everyone. Okay, and next video I will tell you about complete sentences. Okay, so we finished 2 sentences already. The first simple, and this one compound. If you have any questions, please ask me or comment to ask me about this one again. Okay, but if you understand this, please give me some example. I will check your comment. Okay, I will give you the test the afternoon. Okay, so see you next video, everyone. Okay, thank you.